Welcome to the JH Backcountry Health Rehab Video Library. Today we'll be talking about the move called the floor slide core bracing.
Floor slide core bracing, or supine floor slides, is a great move to cue core bracing and also check shoulder external rotation and overhead shoulder mobility. Start by lying on your back with knees bent at approximately 90 degrees and feet flat on the floor. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest and take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you inhale, breathe deep into your belly and see if you can get the hand on your stomach to move up and down while the hand on the chest stays relatively still. After a few deep breaths, on your next breath, exhale forcefully like you are blowing out birthday candles on a cake. You should be able to hear a loud exhale as you blow out through the mouth. This will naturally cue good core engagement, and you should feel the abdominal muscles tighten up and ribs knit in as you exhale forcefully. From here, put your arms out to the sides with elbows bent. Take a deep inhale through the nose just like before, and this time as you blow out the birthday candles, slide your arms up overhead. Remember to exhale strongly. You should keep your core tight and low back pressed down to the floor as your arms go up overhead. If you cannot keep the backs of your hands on the floor, or your low back arches up off the ground as your arms go overhead, this is a good sign that you need to work on overhead shoulder mobility and/or core bracing.